as quickly as I said that I was going to take you in with me, I forgot you. Just that quick. I mean, like I said, the thought came, take you in with me, and the thought left. Today is Tuesday, and of course they always say Taco Tuesday because it's Tuesday. I don't know, but today is definitely Taco Tuesday for me because I'm not hungry, but I want a taco. But then I got upset because I wanted a sandia, and they don't have it at this location that I went to. So when I go get my sandia after class, then I'll take you in with me. Right now, I need to go get some TP. Yes. Finally, I am almost out of my 2020 TP paper. The hard stuff. Paper, my TP. Oh, here I got my TP, and ooh, yes, I want a sample. Thank you. I'll talk to you later. I need to find my angle. That's what I need to do, and just have something I can stick to the windshield of the car would be great. Anyway, Taco Tuesday. Got my tacos, 2 carnitas, and then I stopped at Walmart to get my TP. And yes, I got my TP. I think it was like $28.53. Now, somebody told me that Walmart is cheaper than Target, and I believe when I was at Target 2 days ago, the toilet paper was 26 something. So now I don't want to open it. I'm crazy. All right, let's go to the gym. I just got through from the gym, and as promised, I'm taking you in where I can get a sandia. Yeah. No. Earlier, but we have like it was a smaller version. This is the larger. Going to eat and say goodnight. Look what interrupted my dinner. Ugh. All right, good afternoon. I was not gonna pick up this camera, but hey, I just came into HomeGoods and they got Halloween out. This is July and they have Halloween out. Let's go see. Look at that. That's cool. And the homes. I love Halloween. Look at that. I cannot believe this. Oh my God. It just keeps going. I done left my purse and everything. Now, the horse, hello, the horse is everything. Oh my gosh, I just love it. Oh my God, this is the back version. Oh my goodness. Let me move my basket. It smells funky in here. Oh, okay, wait. here is the back version of the horse, all the way down to his feet. Ooh, and it's $2.99. Something smells funky. Look at the candle. Wow, Lord, I done forgot to hit play. Oh, check out these witches plates. I love it. My preference is for skulls. Let me know what your preference is for Halloween this year, 2026. So I'm seeing teapots, water pitchers, mugs, dishes. Oh, I love it all. Black and white, you cannot go wrong. And polka dot too. These are absolutely spectacular. Now remember, it's HomeGoods. When you see it, you gotta buy it, because if you don't, it will be gone. All right, so finally I get to quickly get on this camera and say it's almost 6:30. I am at the gym. I forgot my workout stuff, so I had to go to Walmart to get some stuff. I had the phone in the back seat, so I didn't film. Got my nails done. Let me know what you think about them and what else. Is that crazy? I only brought my shoes and my bra, so I had to go to Walmart and get some pants and a shirt. So this is the fit for today. Yeah. Can you see? Right there. And let me change. Okay, so this is a large, and then the bottoms are a medium. I like the way they fit. Yes, I kept the tags on because I don't know if I'm gonna keep it. Let me get these shoes on, let's go. This is dinner for tonight, Thursday night. I recently seen somebody with this kale salad, and then they ordered the grilled nuggets, the 8-piece of the grilled nuggets. And that's what I have. It says Carmen. And I think what they did was cut it up and put it in here. Let's do that right quick. Since I do not have those little scissors thingies that she used, I'm just gonna use my knife, put it on. It is hot. Oh my gosh. I just got home and my house is hot. So like I was saying, I'm just gonna use my knife to cut them into smaller pieces. I guess that'll stretch your salad and also increase the amount of time that you're chewing, and hopefully you'll get satisfied with the small little meal that you're eating, because the salad is super duper small. I didn't know it was that small. Okay. Okay, there. I guess that's enough. Here's the kale salad. It has some kind of vinaigrette dressing on it. That's what it looks like. Hopefully you're seeing it. Let me see. Yep. And then you just put the chunks in there. Yeah. I gotta wash this now. And you give it a little shake. Wait, hold on. There, that's better. Give it a little shake. I'm not really doing much with the shaking. Like, it's not mixing. But this is a dinner. Yeah. Let me know if you've tried this. And I'm gonna get to eating because I am hungry. That's how it looks. I'm hungry. Okay, bye. I'm thinking that the heat brings out these spiders. Oh my gosh. Ugh. I gotta go get the spray now. It is hot, hot, but I still need to do this. I'm making ice flower balls. Purple and orange and yellow. I love that center color. I already had this and purchased these today, but you know, Dollar Tree has you covered. I was gonna use these scissors, but I do have wire cutters. So it's 91 degrees in the house. Wire cutters, flower, balloon. First things first is we are cutting. We'll also need a spoon. I just want to sit down. We're gonna have to take another route. I pulled out these little bally little things that I think I need to rinse out. This one. You can just pull off these flowers. That's very easy. I like easy. I don't know which one is the top and which one is the bottom. So I'm just going to place the flower in there. Or maybe I should just put it like that, and hopefully it works. This is what it looks like. It's too hot for all of this. And it's almost 10 o'clock. They need to be in the freezer overnight. What is this? And then I'm just gonna fill up the water, and hopefully that's gonna work. So those are 4, and then these are very large, but they're beautiful. I wish I could get these into a balloon, but the balloon thing is not working. All right, this is the end result.